When you want to build a B2B SaaS, you must be building it for a particular department into a company. That can be sales department, marketing, admin, customer support, engineering, or it can be accounts or HR department. So these are different departments into a company. And when you are building a software, you need to find out what category of department you are targeting for which you are building this software. So there can be two categories of a department. One are those departments who help in generating revenue for a company, and the other type of departments are those who are cost centers, where companies invest money to produce a particular service or a product. So in those departments, companies, what they do is that the cost is very important for them. So if you are building a software for an engineering team to manage their projects, so that software is going to help engineers in managing their projects better. So in that software, for the company owners, it's not a top priority to because it's not helping them generate more money. So that's why they will not be willing to pay more than $20 per month per user for such a product. So you cannot charge like $1,000 for such a product, such a service that you are going to build, that SaaS that you are going to build for that company. But if you build a solution which is like script which finds out a property which is at a reduced price, and it skip trace all the information of the owner, and it refines data and then brings that information in front of the sales department so that they close that deal, that script is going to be the one thing for which owners of the company may be willing to pay $1,000 per month. Why? Because if that deal gets closed, they can make $20,000 out of that. So that's why building a software for the sales department can be more profitable than building a software for the other departments. I'm not saying like you should not be doing that, but you need to find out what type of clients you will be dealing with. But if you build it for the marketing department, sales department, or anything which helps generating revenue, or it helps increasing the profits of the company, then you are on the right track. You can charge more for such a software.